सर माइक ऑन है.
Just second, let the camera roll.
स्टार्ट तो कर.
That is really special. It's really special. I made it. किसकी लूँ मैं पहले?
अरे
How many of you read about Microsoft's big announcement yesterday?
अबे क्या बोलूं?
दिखा ना?
So you want me to tell you about the 2 years?
Microsoft's big announcement.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है अभिनव मैं क्या बोलूं.
ए हटेगा साले क्राउड ऑडियंस क्राउड हटाओ भाई.
So who can define a mobile ecosystem for me?
What should I say?
And
Basically, it started out a little hard, but then I think after getting to know a lot of people, I understood a lot of people's experiences, and I learned a lot basically.
Lovely. So,
define a mobile ecosystem for me.
मुझे भी बोलना है क्या?
It's very difficult to describe, but
मैं बहुत जल्दी बोलता हूँ, मेरी बात किसी को समझ आती नहीं है. होपफुली ये वीडियो में समझ आ जाए.
Well, close enough. Who are the latecomers?
रवि हो, अंगाद, अतुल, कुशान जो भी था.
Abhinav and Varun.
We are just practicing for our farewell.
So technically they're not latecomers.
Forget.
This batch I liked it because you were quite a balance of humility, enthusiasm.
Bangalore, I was feeling really happy. In Mumbai also, I'm feeling really happy. So in all happy. Right now also, I'm feeling really happy.
And willingness to learn. And yet smart. So
So, generally they've been nice and I think quite disciplined.
Firstly, come, let's play a game, let's dance, it's fun, or very obedient students and helpful nature.
There are no rules and regulations when it comes to their studies or academics or any assignments.
एक नहीं दो चार दिला पे. Journey of this whole MBA Manipal and Whistling Woods has been quite difficult for me.
I just don't believe. How can you do this? I have told you at least 200 times not to do such a thing, right? Again, you've gone and done the same thing.
I may not be successful right now.
Unbelievable. I'm really, you can just take this and you really need to work on this. I've told you 5 times, please put referencing.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारे assignments, projects और events.
करते 3 सेमेस्टर निकल गए.
इस सफर के सफर ने जो सरफिरा बनाया ना मुझे.
And the experience was not okay.
I think that's quite okay.
but
They need to have a bit more spunk and not get bogged down.
I paid 5.35 lakhs for the only guy in the world today to learn MS Office and basic mobile functioning.
कुछ सोनोरिटा बड़े शहरों में छोटे वाले हो जाते हैं.
I have a special bonding with the start of the course, which was on the 2nd of August and which was my birthday, and now I'm looking forward for a good end also.
प्यार का confusion है, दो दिलों का fusion है, काम का tension है, doubt में pension है. What to do?
Sorry.
Family का pressure है, friends एक treasure है, dancing का pleasure है, happiness का measure है. What to do?
Wherever you do, whatever you do, just be a great man.
Manipal हो या Whistling Woods, Enjoyment यहाँ भी है और वहाँ भी. What to do? What to do?
You please do. It's been a great journey. 2 years went so fast. New people, new friends, and great experiences. It was fun.
I remember only the good times here, from starting from Bangalore to Mumbai. Initially, when I came to Mumbai, I was like homesick. Now I'm totally in love with Whistling Woods.
I never believed in destiny, but the fact that we all are together today is nothing more than destiny, I should say. I learned lesson in all ways that no institute or no school can teach me.
Okay.
I learned to lead life independently.
It's been really a great experience being with so many people. Everyone is different in some or the other way, and there have been controversies, there have been problems, but at the end everyone has been so amazing with each other.
Manipal was fun, a lot of fights, a lot of love, a lot of new friends, various kinds of people from I don't know what, nerds to the most outgoing people. Mumbai was fun, hectic, but it's all right. I mean, I'm gonna miss you.
It's really tough to leave everyone and go right now. And these two horses look good. What else?
Fun and exciting. Met so many new people, have so many new friends. MBA has been amazing.
Manipal plus WWI. Okay, good. Manipal plus Whistling Woods rocks. Manipal plus Whistling Woods rocks. Manipal plus Whistling Woods rocks.
Is it nice?
The best part is आपको दो अलग एटमॉस्फेयर मिला.
अच्छा.
2 अलग जगहों का एक्सपीरियंस मिला.
Yeah, thank you.
दोस्तों के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं हर बंदे को मिस नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि हर बंदे का कुछ पार्ट मैंने ले लिया है.
शुरू करें?
अच्छा करना और कुछ दिया भी है.
अबे देना.
I hope rest of the people, enjoy as much as we did.
Inspired करने वाला हो ना?
This is one course, this MBA in Media Entertainment, where all the classmates have to be together. They have to stick together because everybody is going to be useful to each other.
This course gave authenticity to my knowledge, and yes, I made few friends.
I can proudly say that I have somebody whom I know in almost all parts of the country.
Okay.
Best 2 years of my life.
Second semesters, we went to Yalanka.
Okay. It's just a filler.
Where I stayed in the hostel, which was a really good experience. That was the place where I learned how to ride a bike for the first time.
अबे मेरा काम तू क्यों कर रहा है?
Experience of ghost. Experience of dance. Had a great bunch of people around, great faculties.
So,
and obviously I think we have got a great exposure, and I would love to keep in touch with you all.
Class के बाहर.
Trust me, I want to see you all in great positions. Ready?
So much of work, so much pressure. It was like a proper MBA course. But anyway, more than all the studies, it's finally the memories and the friends that we'll be taking back with us.
What else?
And I've loved both the campuses, the one in Bangalore as well as the one in Whistling Woods, Mumbai.
I'm really happy that we are finishing our MBA, but on the same time, I'm really feeling sad. I'm really gonna miss these days. Love you all.
Yeah, and from my side, I'm really very happy that yippee, I'm enjoying MBA, but at the same time, I will miss friends, teachers, lots of masti. In fact, this farewell, the preparation, everything.
Didn't happen with me. But I'll seriously miss my film class, which of 19-20 students, small cute class, that I will definitely miss.
We've learned so much. We've gained so much of knowledge. We've gained so much of confidence in a setting like this. We've been exposed to the industry so much, which I feel is one of the best things of this course.
Everywhere we had a very good time, other than the problem of shifting from each place to other place. And finally we moved to the Mumbai Whistling Woods. This is awesome.
Accounts में मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता, मेरे कुछ friends ने मुझे बहुत help की. Now finally हम लोग सब अलग हो रहे हैं. So it's mixed emotions.
दिल का हाल status पे आजकल.
Most of the time I've been behind the camera shooting everybody's bites. उनके पीछे भाग के अरे bite दो.
Bite.
When people say that अरे यार पता भी नहीं चलता है 2 साल कैसे गुजर गए, means that these
these moments have been so beautiful that we didn't even realize time fly by.
I think before I joined this course, I was one of those lost souls wandering in the universe, and coming to Manipal really filled that void for me, and Whistling Woods was just an icing on the cake. Manipal and Whistling Woods made sure that
we're almost inseparable.
It was a back to school kind of experience for me. It was quite interesting. I met a lot of new people, made a lot of good friends and some cherished moments.
काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था लोगों के साथ, एक अलग तरह की फ्रेंडशिप हुई, एक हर चीज़ नई चीज़ें देखने को मिली, नए लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिला.
Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed. Good luck to all.
मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया, दोस्त बहुत देर से बने और जो बने वो ऐसे बने कि ना मम्मी पापा सब एक कर दिए सबको.
The experience over here 2 years was awesome, and I look forward to be somewhere in the industry with my potential.
ये सफ़र बहुत अच्छा रहा मेरा, काफ़ी नए फ्रेंड्स बने जो ज़िंदगी भर रहेंगे मेरे साथ. शायद मैं सारी ज़िंदगी इस चीज़ को मिस करूँगा.
मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी एंड विस्लिंग वुड्स इंटरनेशनल में मैंने सिर्फ 3 ही सीखा है. एक है एंटरटेनमेंट एंड एजुकेशन, दूसरा है नेटवर्किंग एंड तीसरा फुल ऑन फन.
If you can just keep these 3, you're there.
Thank you for the memories in my Manipal MBA. Hope to see you all ahead in life.
It's been one of the most weirdest journeys I've had because of the most bizarre set of people that I've met ever in my life. Been the best takeaway I could possibly take from this whole process, because I didn't know I could actually gel with people like.
It has been a wonderful 2 years with wonderful friends, wonderful faculty, wonderful places to see. Yeah, I'll miss college life.
I had a great experience studying in Manipal and Whistling Woods.
It was fun, it was a lot of learning for us.
And they gave me a lot of opportunities to meet so many nice people. I'm going to miss the whole batch of my MBA.
You please do.
I just want to say that I've had a really nice time the last 2 years. Made a lot of friends and I'm going to miss everyone. I want to wish everybody good luck in all their endeavors.
Whistling Wood and Manipal मेरे लाइफ का बेस्ट एजुकेशनल पार्ट रहा है.
Okay.
और मैं आज यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ मेरा पता रह जाएगा, डाल पर भी कोई पत्ता हरा रह जाएगा, बो रहा हूँ कुछ बीज कुछ संवेदनाओं के साथ, खुशबुओं का एक अनोखा सिलसिला रह जाएगा.
क्या बात.
This course was fun, a mixture of everything: fun, excitement, lots of assignments, project tensions, attendance tensions in the last moment.
Journey from Manipal to Whistling Woods has been really great, and the exposure what we got is really superb.
We've had our share of highs and lows in this period of time, but I think it's all been for the greater good.
With this MBA, I think I'm done with studies, but then for sure in the last 2 years I had a lot of fun, and a lot of fun to have in future with all my friends.
मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा इस सफ़र के बारे में, लेकिन एक ही चीज़ हमेशा याद रहेगी कि इन लोगों से कब मुलाकात होगी, कैसे मुलाकात होगी, हमें सिखाई जाएगी ये चीज़.
Just cheer up.
Hello guys, how are you? It was good 2 years of MBA. At last we have come to an end. Come to an end of a exciting journey. It was good. We made a lot of friends, and it was amazing. Great.
This batch was the excellent one whichever I have come across.
In the coming months and years, I expect that there will be a lot of help to me, and I hope we're going to get into corporates and studios and pass a lot of projects that I'm going to be doing. So I hope we're going to be working soon together.
Yes, I think you've got to have a combination of knowledge, integrity, and perseverance. And nothing can stop you. I think the rest, you all have it in you.
It's been a fun journey. Only 6 months we've had with most of you. You've been a terrific batch. We've enjoyed having you thoroughly. We hope that your choice of coming to Whistling Woods has been a good one.
पता नहीं.
And I do hope to see you all at some point again. And remember that Whistling Woods is there for you as long as you never need us.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Manipal rocks. Should I say Whistling Woods?
Thank you.
Thanks for making my student life very special.
Thank you, love you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, love you all.
Yeah, thanks.
So good luck in life. God bless you. Thank you, boss.
All the best for your life. Do well.
Really, I'm wishing you everybody a very, very, very all the best.
Have a great luck and a great success. Thank you.
All the best, guys.
So all the best, people.
Peace. But yeah, good luck to all.
I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days.
Take care. Bye bye.
सभी लाइफ में बेहतर करें, ऐसी मेरी आकांक्षा है.
Be happy and all the best for their careers.
I'll miss college life.
I'm going to really miss Whistling Woods and Manipal a lot. Thank you so much.
May you have success in whatever you do, in whatever fields you get. All the best.
And hopefully we'll keep in touch for the rest of our lives. And let's all just have fun. Bye.
All the best for everybody.
Thank you so much.
Good luck to everyone. Have a great life ahead.
And I hope we could have stayed here for 1 year. Sorry. बस हो गया है.
So साथ रहेंगे, मिलके रहेंगे.
I wish all my friends and classmates the best of luck in their lives.
Cheers everybody, have fun, enjoy life, God bless.
Hope we bond better, hope we work together and we succeed together. Yeah, thank you.
Love you all.
Thank you.